So I saw Miss Anne-Marie's Campbell's story floating around on my Facebook, and I wanted to give her a shout out here on my channel. I love to support progressive and positive people. And Anne-Marie Campbell began her career with the Home Depot in 1985 as a cashier in South Florida, and today is the executive vice president of all U.S. stores. In this role, she leads the company's three U.S. operating divisions, comprising of nearly 2,000 U.S. stores and the bulk of the company's nearly 40,000 associates. Anne Marie learned her first lesson in retail from her grandmother in Jamaica, a successful retailer in her own right. And after more than 30 years with the company, Anne Marie brings a deep understanding of the Home Depot's operation, culture, and customers. During her career at the company, she has served in a variety of positions, including store manager, district manager, regional vice president. She has also served as vice president of operations, vice president of merchandising and special orders, vice president of retail marketing and sales for Home Depot Direct, vice president of vendor services, and most recently the president of the Southern Division of the Home Depot. Anne Marie is a graduate of Georgia State University, where she earned a bachelor's degree in philosophy and a master's degree in business administration. She is a member of Beta Gamma Sigma and International Business Honors Society and the National Scholars Honors Society. She's currently serving on the boards for Georgia State University, Robbins College of Business, Barnes & Noble, Potbelly Corporation. In 2014, Fortune magazine listed her among top 50 most powerful women in business. So big up to Miss Campbell that's out here doing big things and showing Jamaican people in a positive light. I know a lot of negative things has been going on in the media with Jamaican people, and it's good to see another Jamaican person out here and showing what actual Jamaicans come to the United States to do when they come over here and move their kids, or they come over here by themselves and build a foundation for their family and for their future. Okay, we come over here and bust our butts every day. Big up to everybody from the Caribbean also that comes over here and do what they're supposed to do. They come over here, bust their butts, and be progressive and positive people. I can't implore you enough. When you come over here, please put your islands or your island on the map as being a positive person and a positive influence to others that want to walk the same road or want to walk a similar pathway. So big up to Anne Marie Campbell. She's now operating 400,000 associates and 2,000 US stores. She's out here doing big things, and she deserves a round of applause and a shout out. Big up to you. And comment in the comment section what you think about Miss Anne Marie. Big her up. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here. Deuces.